Gmail is a Google product, and that means it is integrated by default in other Google apps as well, such as Google Docs or Google Sheets and Google Slides, and you can mail out those documents directly while those files are open as attachments as well. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto the app section, and let me just go around and access out, let's say, for example, Google Slides right here. So you can do this with Google Slide or Google Docs or Google Sheet as well. So over here, you can see that I have a presentation slide, and let's say I want to mail it out as an attachment. So what I can do is I can go to File and then go to Email and email this file. Once I do that, I can set to send myself a copy, and I can go around and select an email address that I want to mail to. And I can go around and add in a subject over here and add in a message as well. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say example email right here. Let me just go around onto subject and let's say test subject right here, just like this. And in the file type, let's say I want to mail it as a PowerPoint document. So once this is done, I'm going to go around and click on send, and this file will be sent as an attachment to the other email address. And I will also receive a copy, that is because I enabled out send a copy, and you can see that how that email actually looks. So it says the email says Pratik Pradhan, and it mentions my Gmail address, as you can see, because I'm using my Gmail to access my Google Slide has attached, as you can see right here. And you can see that this is from my Gmail. So it's via Google Slide, but still I mailed it. And you can see that you can directly access out your Gmail in Google Slide as well, and then mail it out as an attachment to other people easily. And that is how you can email Google Docs editors files directly, as well as attachments as Gmail is integrated in them. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.